asuntoskeuttiö, mikä on Salpa.
Today is the 9th of September 2021. We have Laajametsänkuja Rättsbokstingen 6 case bay here in Martinlaakso, modernized. Länsi-Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, Ida-Helsinki, Espoo region of Finland. Finland taking best takes at rape persons at 4 grams. Let's take case bay here, which is the last one in this side, because we still have 2 more. This takes is the ending, where they have the early MP8 fixtures, very newly introduced then. But this was built in 1971. With 6 was the serial number is H25169, turning 50 years old this year. In 2021, will be inspected in 2023. The capacity is 3 per 2 grams. Let's ride it. And of course, we also have the stakes A and C and F here.
Yeah. This plug you asked, men det bare så med his rock.
Yes. I really like the sounds in this one.
Yes,
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope we will get to the stakes D and A as soon as possible.
Yeah. That's